Hey everybody, this is Lloyd and welcome to the Black Dog Shop. Today we're outside working on my 98 Softail Harley Davidson. Excuse me, getting over COVID a little bit. Anyway, last video I made on this Harley was I was trying to get it running. It has been sitting since 2017. I got another Harley that I ride full time, a bagger right there. So it's a 06 Ultra Classic. So anyway, this old girl got put in the barn and put by the wayside, and I want to get it running because it's a nice bike. I still like going for solo cruises every now and then, and I don't like taking the big bike to do that. I like taking the nice little Harley here. Anyway, so I was making a video trying to get this bike going because it's, like I said, it's been sitting since 2017, and I'd done everything that I possibly thought about doing. Changed plug wires, changed plugs, changed the oil, changed parts. Anyway, wouldn't go. So I was into the Harley dealer and bought myself a new hoodie because my wife claimed my old one, and I put this thing on 7 years ago. I had them look it up in the computer and asked them, how old's my coil on that bike? And they said 7 years. I said, I wonder if I'm due for a new one. And they said, well, what's your bike doing? I said, well, it was spitting and sputtering. I said, and now it won't even start at all. It just rolls over. That's all it does. So today, I got a new coil. Well, not today. I do have a new coil today, but I picked it up when I bought that new hoodie. So I spent a little bit too much money that day. And so we're going to change out the coil. So what you're going to need for this is there's 2 bolts on the back. They are 7/16, or in Canada, we use metric. And a 12 mil will fit on there fine. And then on the front where your wiring hooks in, I can't remember what size socket that was in American or imperial measure, I guess, but in metric measure it's a 9 mil socket. So we'll disconnect the wire first. Oh, maybe it's not a 9. I can't get that thing on there now. Yep. I'll try another socket. Excuse me. Anybody still got that old COVID lingering around? Man, oh man. It's taking the good right out of me. So in Imperial, it's not 11/32. It would be a 3/8 socket that you're going to need. It's a little bit loose, but it is what it is. So we'll take the wiring off first. Turn the ratchet to the off position. I can't bring you in here a little bit. See what's going on. I don't want to be all hands in your way, but this is the coil that we're removing. That's them two wires off. It's a little bit tight quarters in here. Now, this coil usually got a chrome cap that goes on it, because well, like Harley loves chrome, right? And I took it off, and then I lost the bolt that holds it on, and I can't find that anymore. I suppose I can get one from Harley, but I want to spend that kind of money. I don't know what it could be. Take the plug wires off. Get your knuckles in there if you can. Come on now. I'll have all the rust scratched off that chrome oil bag. That'll be another project. Change that fella out.
Do you know where the nozzle is?
One sec. Wife needs me for a sec. Alright, she just needs the water hose attachment. Nope. Back to this now. There she is. Take your little plate off because that's your mounting plate. And of course it mounts right there, right? Oh, mounts right there. That's all she is. Harley Davidson Motor Company. The part number you're going to need is 31614-83 Alpha. Harley Davidson genuine parts, of course. Of course. Now, another thing about these things, see, 31614-83 Alpha. The other thing about these things is, if you don't know how old your coil is, the date is right there. 11th month, 13th year. 05-20. So this is brand new, 20. Video made in 2022, but this is brand new, 20. Imagine selling me old gear. Imagine. Bolt in there, put it through the, oh, whoa, I lost my plate. Here we go. Thread that on there like so. Now I don't know if this is going to be a startup video because I don't know how good that battery is. But we'll give her a whirl. See what happens. See what happens. You got to use a socket in there, folks, because a wrench just don't fit. Can't get a turn on it. You can hardly get a turn on these sockets. I don't want to tighten her too much and strip her. That'd be no good for nobody. Now these wires, there's no way in putting those wires on wrong, because there's a short end and a long end. Short end goes on the bottom. Tall end, of course, reaches for the top. And don't throw out your nuts. These are original to your bike, and they don't come with the coil. So they're just flat washers with a castle washer made onto them. Make that a little snug. Just a little snug, because you don't want to twist off that brass bolt that sticks out of there, that stud. Just like that. This one goes on the bottom. This one goes on the top. You can put some dielectric grease in there. Which, before I put this bike back on the road, I'm going to take apart all of our electronics, all the plugs and stuff, and put some dielectric grease on there on all the connections. Now, let's see if she'll fire up. Wouldn't that be awesome today? Oh boy, I might even take her for a little rip. So, key on. 2 cracks on the throttle. 3 for good measure. Fuel is on. Pull the choke. And her battery is too toasty to make her fire up. So anyway, this video is 13.5 minutes long. So it took 12 minutes to do that. Not even 10 minutes, really. Because what, it was the introduction to the video and whatever, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, that's her. I'll charge up that battery, and then we'll try to get her going. I'll do a will it run video. How about that? Will it run video? Yeah, boy. I know this one will run. Let me jack up this camera. I'll let this one run for you. The Ultra. This one's fuel injected. Turn the key. Let her cycle through. Oh, maybe she's not in neutral. There's actually a blue light on in my dash. I don't know why. Oh, she's not. charge up that battery too. It's getting low. She didn't want to fire off there right away. She kind of boom. I like it when they go boom instead of boom. Anyway, that's it for this video. I gotta get at some more work. I got stuff to do. Anyways, peace. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Yes, I did shave off the beard. Wife says I'm handsome. I don't know what she said before, or what she thought before. But anyway, guess I'm handsome now. I was handy before. Whoa, where are you? I guess I was handy before. Now I'm handsome. Anyway, take care. And if you got COVID like I do, just rest as much as possible. I've had it now 7 or 8 days. It's finally starting to go away. Still got a little cough, a little tickle, sinus, and apparently puberty voice every now and then. So anyway, take care, cool. Have a good day.